Yeah, yeah. Baby, yeah.
We are proud.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Y'all see me as I'm moving freely, breathing to control my feelings, seeking to destroy all of these decoys very easily. I'm burning all them forest trees, forcing these dark demons to expose their ugly fucking faces to me. I be he, that, him, see that sacred lyricism shattering all of these fucking enemies. Common sense comes next as I protect my queens, and I be burning words, burst flames, run wild, they scream. Yo, instant death, I slit your neck, collapse your spine, exploding your inner spleen. I be severing limbs, I'm surgically clean with these sentences. I'm slicing open your genetical genes. I'm the gypsy spell summoning. While somebody be humming upon the notes I sing, the voodoo doll reflecting this here king. Yeah, perpetuate concepts I be bringing. Distant visitors that come a-glistening on light beams. Planet hopping, space advanced entities, herbal remedies they be sent out to seek. But in deep space, very few rocks birth seeds. Supernova, now the sun be bursting. Yeah, burning life away before metamorphosizing explosions. Send these lasers penetrating, bouncing, bound to flee out to the last of humanity. End of the existence, no longer is there resistance. Sky so thick and murky, nobody is shining. Not even a star, but there was one lone shaman surviving. A mortal prophet divine, and through them rhyme the scheme is up of what you would call the perfect timing. Yeah, I'm linking arms like a chain link. I keep the few binded, the rest are deaf and blinded. DJ spinning vinyl forward, pausing then reminded. Scratching sounds that program the underground. Come loud, be proud, yeah. In a city, they say that the best who ever did it was a mystic. He gathered all of the people together to spit the shit real quick. He bomb detonate, his lyricism a ballistic. He dedicated to depicting all the shit he be writing in. Spray a painting mountain in the thick of mist. A meditator touching pure bliss, hovering over this shit. A beehive, bumblebees, buzzy, blizzing, blasting. Mists of the shadow myth, pound pavement. Yo, yeah. He be the best first wordsmith, purging enemies, powerful sermons, burning all of these cats slow. No forgiveness, the colors blending, no more singing hooligan. Yeah. He came to uplift. He came to talk about the formulas that he be spitting out his lips. He be mad legit, that magnesium, the hot cat burning all of them. Some bursting, first none can witness this here energy. The thunder fist, the jaguar grip, he be what they would call the immaculate. Special off the underground, the keeper of the 4-score element. Best who ever did it, spit it, yo, he be dedicated to this. He who passionately shares his gift, sent here as if he been coming here to uplift. Yo, God sent him out of this shit. He's the maddest, illest, immortal you'll ever hear spit, bitch. Yeah, yeah. Baby, yeah.